friends, yung mga kinakopera kayo sa iba, yung expectation sa inyo, paano nyo handle?
The fans make it easier they give us so much support, and they're just as excited, even more excited than we are.
It's the excitement. Mas nananatili yung excitement kasi sa pressure. And then, parang it's good yung pressure kasi parang feeling mo, mas matcha-challenge mo yung sarili mo to do better.
Kasama ba sa pressure na yun yung kinukumpara kayo din sa kakaya? Na parang lalo na ngayon, pareho kayong may serye na ilo-launch. So, hindi talaga may iwasan yung comparison sa inyong dalawa. Kasama din sa pressure na ba?
It's been like that from the start, so we're good.
Medyo nagdaya-daya din yung pag-compare. But then, yun nga po, we're just really happy na parang binibigyan, may project kami na we're doing bad pa rin. So, yun po, medyo nagdaya-daya na din.
Valentine's na bukas. May plans? Sabi mo may plans kayo.
Ano siya?
Surprise ba yan? Ah!
Hindi ko alam, so...
Ano yung pride? As in talagang pride, as in plinano mo, paano ba nangyari? Kahit konting ano lang, pa-teaser.
Actually, we have our own plans. She has plans for us, and I also have plans, but she doesn't know.
Kasi po for close up, in-invite ko siya. And then, so yun, so ako, gumawa na ako ng plano. But then sabi nila sa akin, huwag mo nang gawin yun kasi he has plans together. And we have work din tomorrow. So after ng work na...
Saan kayo bukas?
Tomorrow we have showtime and we have a mall show sa Fairy Lair.
So the album kickoff, my album kickoff is coming out tomorrow also. So we'll be promoting my album, also First of Romantic. Very good.
So yun po,
Sorry, I just have to ask Risa. Kasi syempre may mga issues din. Kunwari, ikaw na lumalabas, yung date another. Hindi, paano nyo naayos yung sa love team to make sure na hindi siya maapektuhan?
Well, first of all, they are just rumors, and I mean, we try not to let it get to us. You know, sometimes it does, but no, I guess we just do our best.
May nag-uusapan yung open kayo, kunwari na-involve si James, or kunwari bigla may issue na lumabas sa'yo, nag-open kayo sa isa't isa about it.
I mean, well, she's my closest friend. That's a girl. She's the one. It's easier to just.
Anong sinasabi?
Yun po, kasi since we're a team na, so parang dapat solid. Well, yun nga po, solid kami. But then, parang I'm very confident na kaya niya nilampasan yung mga challenges na dumarating sa kanya. So yun, kaya niya naman.
Kapag may ganun ba, tinatanong mo siya, totoo ba na ganito, nakita ka, may ganyan.
Pinakwento niya naman po sa akin, so hindi ko na siya tinatanong.
So, ino-open up mo na rin agad sa kanya. Okay, ganun kayo ka-open.